So today I'll show you how to fix the dishwasher door. If your dishwasher door is like falling off, not holding to itself, how to fix that. Most probably it's one of these string has broken or came out of the spring. We'll see, but I'll show you how. And before you do that, make sure your power on your dishwasher is off and make sure your water supply is also turned off. So this is a Bosch dishwasher. So let's try to pull the dishwasher out. Before we try to pull the dishwasher out, just make sure you undo the screws there. So let's do that. And now the dishwasher is out, and so this is the broken one, and the other side is also broken. This is the spring that we connect, and I'll show you how to put it together. So that's a new spring and the new cord. So now I'll show you how to connect this to the spring. Flat side faces backward. Grab your string, put it in the slot, and pull it out, right? So that's how you put that in. Now we'll put it on the dishwasher. So this metal thing, I'm going to slide it in there. There's a slot there. There you go. Just it slides in and sits over there. And there's a track for this string to go through. One loop like an S. And then if you look, there's a hook. And this thing needs to go on the hook. You pull it. And it sits in there. There you go. Easy peasy. Now we'll do it on the other side, and we'll see the door then. Now I'm going to put the spring in the slot. Now the string goes in this track like an S, backward S. And there's a hook in this plastic. Sorry, there's a slot in the plastic for this hook. Just pull a little bit. Here we go. There you go. And it'll sit in there. There you go. So that's how it is. Let's try the door now. There you go, it's not falling and it's holding itself. So that's how you fix your dishwasher's door, which is not holding itself. You just got to change the spring, and hope you like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.